Now, a dramatic finish to the final round of 16 days saw the quarterfinalists decided for the SDC CALS National Community T20 cricket competition on Sunday. In the feature matches at the Boscobel ground, Buff Bay and Links United booked their passage.
Starting the day in pole position, Bridgeport needed to avoid a heavy defeat or just defeat Links United for a final 8 spot. The only thing they got right was winning the toss, as Jamaica Scorpions player Tevin Gilzine and Amoy Campbell blasted their way to a central partnership. They peppered the small boundaries at the Boscobel field in a 144-run opening stand. Campbell smashed 7 sixes and 4 fours before falling for 72. However, Gilzine took over the innings from there, bludgeoning the bowling attack with 101 not out, inclusive of 8 sixes and 8 fours. Links United posting an imposing 241 for 2. Bridgeport ran into serious problems early as the pace and guile of Jamaica Scorpions pacer O.J. Shields was too much for them. Shields bagged 4 for 23 and Gilzine returned to pick up 3 for 25 to roll over Bridgeport for 152 and a heavy 90-run defeat that knocked them out on net run rate.
Well, to be honest, some of my teammates were getting away the ball. For example, Campbell, Anderson. So I didn't need to push on and accelerate from there on. I could have just waited and then I scored in the back end.
The plan basically on this field is to bowl good length. Short of a good length, thereabout. Hit the wicket very hard. And that is what the guys did this week very well. O.J. Shields came in and he led from the front again. So both our Scorpion players really held their hand up.
Buff Bay joined Links into the last 8 with a tense 3-wicket victory over Highgate, who finished winless. The Portland team had the game in control when Highgate were 116 for 6, but saw 36 not out from Samuel McIntosh, bringing the host to a competitive 156 for 7. Buff Bay in their chase stuttered to 80 for 7, but on the brink of elimination, they found a saviour in Sion Jolly, who blasted 42 from 36 balls, including 3 fours and 4 sixes. The right-hander finished the game off in style with 18 balls to spare.
One thing I know for sure, some teams, you have to look out to have a bad game at some time. And I believe this game is the only bad game so far. And coming the rest of the games, we know we're going to lift our game more higher, more energy.
The other quarterfinalists are White House, Fairfield, Junction, Mapen Lions, Church Pen and Orange of St. James.
The SD